मेरे को 10 साल बाद ये नहीं सोचना यार कि अगर मैंने वो व्लॉग कर लिया होता जब मेरा करने का मन था, एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली वांटेड टू डू व्हेन आई हैड द रिसोर्सेज, आई हैड द एनर्जी, आई हैड Fuck, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is my vlog channel, my name is Kshitij. If you're not subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button, spank it, smash it, demolish it, and let's begin today's video. It's 9:30 AM right now. Finally, जो कल मैं वीडियो करके सोया था, जो लग रहा था कि दिन में खत्म हो जाएगी, वो नहीं हुई. So अभी it's 9:30 AM. I've been doing the video for the past 14 hours, I guess. 16 hours. Oh, fuck. Shit. On top of that, Sandy had to do the video as well. And that infield, if you're watching the video right now, is already gone online. Finally, it's done. My back is hurting, yaar. My fucking सब कुछ ही दर्द हो रहा है यार इसमें. And since I was having a bit of anxiety कल से about this video, तो उसका solution क्या है ना, मैंने ये decide किया पहले से हमेशा चीजों का यही solution. Anytime there's a difficult thing to do, this is what game is taught me. Anytime there's a difficult thing to do, you just have to be like यार, okay, there's a cold water. उसमें बस तुम्हें छलांग मारनी है. River है, कैसे करेंगे, बस कूदना है बिना सोचे समझे. And this is where a lot of people still suffer from approach anxiety because I don't know what the fuck they're thinking. It's just like, if you have to do the approach, you just have to do the approach. You can't do anything about it. Just weigh your pros and cons. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. If you want to do it, then shut the fuck up and just get that done. And that is one of the biggest reasons of my success in game. And similarly with uploading videos like these, uploading any different kind of content or anything which is difficult, I decide, okay, am I doing it or am I not doing it? If I'm doing it, I'm gonna go ahead and just get the fuck done and then not think about it ever again. Or I'm just not gonna do it. Whatever happens, I'm just gonna go all or nothing. That 20 साल बाद ना, I don't want to regret that maybe I should have done that thing. Maybe वो होता तो इतना अमेजिंग होता, ऐसे होता. I don't want to live on the what if. I don't want to live but अगर मैंने कर दिया होता तो. And similarly with the vlog channel, बीच में I've been feeling कि यार ये काफी difficult हो रहा है मेरे लिए. I'm kind of burning out. I'm not really burning out. Maybe content के लिए सोचना पड़ता है and आज my lifestyle पे काम हो रहा है. It's just a lot of work that is being done. And whenever I start the vlog, I enjoy doing the vlog. So anytime I feel that, and one thing which is really helping me out these days is like thinking यार, it's just one video that takes to go viral. It's just one video that you need. और अगर I don't want to leave before a year of vlogging at least. I want to give it a shot कि एक साल तक मैं vlog कर रहा हूँ and the channel takes off. If it takes off, it's good and amazing. If it doesn't take off, still nothing lost. But मेरे को 10 साल बाद ये नहीं सोचना यार कि अगर मैंने वो vlog कर लिया होता जब मेरा करने का मन था, and that is something that I really wanted to do when I had the resources, I had the energy, I had the charisma, I had everything, और तब भी मैंने नहीं किया. काश मैंने कर लिया होता तो अभी मैं बीबी जितना बड़ा यूट्यूबर होता या मैं AI भी जैसा होता और whatever the fuck dude. I would have been a guy जिसका channel बहुत सही है and who is making content daily and people are loving that content, which is something that I'm really enjoying doing. And even though if that doesn't happen, I'll still have 365 videos. एक पूरा साल 2019 का जो बहुत ही fucking amazing epic year होने वाला है. I know that's gonna be fucking epic. Just check out the infield that I just uploaded right now. Fuck यार हाथ में दर्द हो गया है. Anyway, I know it's gonna be fucking epic. It's 9:30 AM. I think I really should go and sleep right now. Also yeah, there's a new Gillette ad out. If you guys haven't seen the Gillette ad, उसमें काफी सीन हो रहे हैं. पूरी दुनिया में लोग बोले जा रहे हैं that it's an anti-man campaign. Men are being portrayed as people who always harass and who are always doing the rowdy stuff. और उनके अगर बच्चे भी लड़ रहे होते तो उनको भी बोला जाता है boys will be boys and then उनको लड़ने दिया जाता है. I frankly speaking don't agree with that. That's an overgeneralization, but it's a viral campaign. They wanted to make it viral. But अब उनको जो hate मिलने वाला है ना finally बंदों से उनकी तो ऐसी की तैसी होने वाली है. There needs to be a middle ground for that thing. ये जो जब से ये shaming culture आया, PC culture आया and too much of male shaming is going on and जैसे sexism, misogynistic ये सारी चीज आ रही है. On the other hand, there are movements like men going their own way. MGTOW is there. Then there's the red pill. People for men's rights and activists and everything. Frankly speaking, both the things ज़्यादा extreme नहीं होना चाहिए किसी भी चीज का. There needs to be a middle ground. Me personally, I don't want to divide people into being like male chauvinists or misogynistic people, and on the other hand, being like crazy feminazis that we speak about all the time, that we keep seeing all the time. The thing is कि यार, it's not so much about gender. It's about कि जो लोग होते हैं वही चूतिया होते हैं. अब वो बंदा हो या बंदी हो, वो चूतिया है तो वो चूतिया है. The thing is कि लोगों के ना इतने सारे ट्रॉमा होते हैं और फिर anytime they see something which remotely even resembles the trauma, maybe उनका ब्रेकअप हुआ है या maybe you know they've been sexually harassed themselves, maybe उनके पेरेंट्स के साइड से काफी प्रॉब्लम, maybe their boyfriend cheated on them, maybe their girlfriend cheated on them, maybe they were beaten up as a kid, maybe toxic masculinity उनमें भरा हुआ है, maybe लड़कियां किसी बंदे को भाव नहीं देती. तो ये सारी चीजें बड़ी टॉक्सिसिटी के साथ बाहर आती हैं. इसके साथ पूरा हेट ही प्रोपोगेट होता है और इसमें getting rid of those old experiences, those old behavior, unfucking yourself from your past experiences and the trauma that you accumulated created, the things जिनके ऊपर तुम्हारा कंट्रोल नहीं था जब तुम बच्चे थे या अभी भी कंट्रोल नहीं है, just coming to terms with that, accepting yourself and unfucking yourself and getting to the point where you were born, where you had no idea about even fucking gender or love or sexism or anything like that, even money, like कोई भी तुम्हें idea नहीं था. You want to get back to that state, that nature of a child जो पैदा होता है, who doesn't even know that do I deserve the love or not, am I a man or am I a woman, जिसको कोई idea नहीं है, ना language का, ना boundaries का, nothing. That is like the purest form. And if we can get there, if we can be so pure that we're not run by past energy, जो भी हमने यहाँ पे आके चीजें सीखी, that is frankly speaking fucked us up now, I think it's going to be an amazing fucking life for you and for everyone else. That being said, guys, that's going to be the vlog. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Like always, fuck, just hit the subscribe button, spank it, smash it, demolish it, and I'll see you soon. Peace. I just,